Hi guys, do you want to travel outside Metro Manila to have some fresh air and relax? Come with me at Angeles City, Pampanga. It is 1.5 minutes away from Manila, so sobrang dali lang puntahan. Presenting Siocolo, that is located at Royal Garden, Phil-Am Friendship Highway, Angeles, Pampanga. If you are looking to ancient landscape design, bagay ito sa'yo. Very Instagrammable ang location at mabubusog ang mata mo sa mga ancient theme ng resto na ito. The venue is very spacious. Pwede kang mag-dine in sa loob if gusto mong ng aircon, and if gusto mong chill vibes lang, may alfresco dine-in din sila. What I love sa theme ng resto na ito is the lights paggabi na and the room design ng mga establishments. Feels like malayo ko talaga from the stress of Manila. Next is their food. If bagong sahod ka at gusto mong enjoy ng sahod mo to try new foods, okay din ang foods na ino-offer nila. We ordered Singaporean chili seafood, nachos overload, cheese quesadilla, penne chicken with pesto cream, and lychee martini. Pinaka nagustuhan ko yung penne chicken with pesto cream since mahilig ako sa pesto, and their pasta is seasoned well. Marami rin yung servings nila, so hindi rin namin naubos lahat. Cheese quesadilla and nachos overload is really good since nauuna itong iserve bago yung mga pasta and rice meals nila. So, para sa mga hindi makapagpigil kumain dyan, pwede nyo orderin yun. Itong Ferrero Green Tea Cake, masarap din, but dito masusukat kung matcha lover ka talaga kasi sobrang pait na to. Overall, the experience is good. And if tatanungin ako kung babalik ba ako dito, I will try more on their menus and cakes. Yun lang, ingat and stay safe. Follow for more.